This is the Biafran Daily Psalm, adopted from the Book of Dawn and Invocations by Professor Gonago and narrated by Ngozi Chukwuka Adobijele. Chineke Okpabia, our Creator and the Creator of all things. By way of showing our devotion to you, we brought you kola nut. With this offer of kola nut, we, your Biafran children, seek your blessing. You are Chukwu Okike Abiama, the maker of all that is seen and those not seen. You, Chineke Abiama, created the heaven above and the earth below. Having created us your first humans, you gave us the kola nut, your sacred seed. You told us to give you reverence with this always. You promised us that our petitions made using the kola nut, those you shall grant. Today, Chineke Abiama, we, your Biafran children, have called upon that assurance which you gave to us from the time of old. The same assurance still stands even to the present time and will continue to stand till the endless of time. With a united and unshaken voice, your children offer with kola nut a call, and we say, Chukwu Abiama, free us from the bondage of our oppressors. Free us from the bondage of our oppressors. Free us from the bondage of our oppressors. Losing the noose they tied on our limbs, our necks, and our minds, also on our land. Destroy their walls of metal and iron, mortar and bricks, ideology and trickery of policies and politics, and allow your children to break free, to break loose. Topple down the mighty fortress of Nigeria, that we, your Biafran children, may return back unharmed to our land, the land of joy and the land of the free, the land you prepared in the ancient of days for your children. Today, Chineke Abiama, we, your children, we, your Biafran children, we enact your instructions to receive your promise to us through our ancestors. You commanded us to pray for every life and for all lives. You taught us to pray for life of the fish and the life of the water, that fish must exist and water must exist also. You taught us to pray that evil shall not befall Olu, neither shall it befall Igbo. That Olu must exist and that Igbo must exist. You taught us to pray that the kite finds a perching place. Likewise the eagle, that the kite must perch and the eagle must perch also. Chineke Abiama, though we have acted as you instructed us, those who held us in bondage have refused for us to perch. They insist that they must live and we must die. They have insisted on our lives and those of their children. But as for us and our children, they visit us with death and destruction always. So we have come to ask of you today, with the sacred kola nut in our hand, to remove all their perching grounds and send them to a perpetual flight without ever perching. Today, Chineke Abiama, your beloved but vulnerable Biafran children, we seek your loving heart. We are merely seeking goodness. Goodness for all our lives and that of Biafra. Goodness for all your divine creatures, including that of all our oppressors. So Chineke, may goodness come. Allow goodness to come and find us. Keep away from us those that sought to lay claim to our heads, our blood, our land, and our riches, your beloved Biafran children existence, your earliest children whom you have blessed and mandated with your ways, your knowledge, your creativity, that your purpose, your peace, your love, your creation be maintained here on earth. We have never waged war on another except when we have to defend ourselves. We have never encroached on another's land with the intent to colonize them. No. We have never imposed our will on another just to enslave them. We have hired labor and we have paid for it. Where we have engaged service, we have even also allowed them to achieve to the fullness of their potential. In our holy land, your holy land, the servant of today can become master of tomorrow. Ours is an existence of fair play, equal rights, and opportunity for all. Our approach to the world is Izu. Izu, which stands for complete oneness and uniting all units. So that even boundary lines we view as uniting lines. That instead of these lines separating us from another, they link us. Where differences do not oppose, but rather complement. All this in maintaining your unity and oneness. Oneness with all who desires oneness with us. Open your glorious gate so that your enjoyable and peaceful world surround us. Secure us in safe guidance from all that aim to reduce our lifespan, likewise from situations that we may find unbearable. With this sacred seed of Kolonot, we pray your protection in our land. To Rivers State, we protect with your enduring love. To Bayelsa, we protect with your enduring love. To Anambra, we protect with your enduring love. To Imo, we protect with your enduring love. To Delta, we protect with your enduring love. To Enugu, we protect with your enduring love. To Ebonyi, we protect with your enduring love. To Cross River, we protect with your enduring love. To Akwa Ibom, we protect with your enduring love. And to all your beloved children who are scattered like Ukbaka seeds all around the lion's den, both far and near, we protect with your enduring love. All Biafran land, all Biafran people, we protect with your enduring peace. We call upon your undying kindness and love for your children today. We ask you to rise and keep us safe, that you send down our ancestors to fulfill your promise here on earth in Biafra land, the land of joy, Alandoma. In the beginning, you send down our great mother, Father Eke, with a long weave basket of market ware on Eke Day. Chineke Abiam, you adored her with your great light, that through her the world can perceive the wonders of your creation of Eke. She she set forth to tread to and fro in a perpetual commitment to you till this day. You send down our great mother father Oye with a long waved basket of market wares on Oye Day. Chineke Abiyama, we adored her with the vegetation and light, that medicine and nourishment are provided to our land. She set forth to tread to and fro in a perpetual commitment to you till this day. You who send down our great ancestor Afo with the same waved basket of market wares on Afo Day to continue his treading with wares of rain wrapped in cocoyam leaf. The world cannot exist without its waters of spring, rivers, oceans to moist them and their environment. He set forth to tread to and fro in a perpetual commitment to you till this day. Then Chineke Abiyama, you created and set forth our great ancestor, Nkwo, whom you also adorned with your magnificent light, together with market wares of wrapped earthly sand in his long weaved basket, that we on earth, we on Biafran land, have ground to rest our faith, forge our communities and sustain and maintain vegetation plus more. He set forth to tread to and fro in a perpetual commitment to you till this day. Our ancestors continue to serve you as Ahianano no Bosinano. We too, your children, we continue to serve you endlessly like Ahianano no Bosinano. Therefore today we have come with sacred kola nuts in our hands to pray that we be set free immediately from the imperialists. Please, our Maker and our Protector, set us free now. On Eke, set us free. On Oye, set us free. On Afo, set us free. On Okwo, set us free. Set us free on Ahianano no Bosinano. We shall participate peacefully and favorably in treading, just like our ancestors, till the time, the chosen time you invite us to reunite back with you. Please do not allow our oppressors shorten our engagement in your divine objective prematurely. Do not allow those who have no knowledge of you to obliterate us before we complete the purpose for which you sent us to the world. Allow us to be and grow so that the rest of your creation will realize your beauty through us. Who else would maintain your word? Who else would maintain your order, your peace, your justice, your balance, and your fair play? We are your children, the children of Chukwuka Abiyama, the only creator. Please hearken to our voice of pain and our voice of anguish. The pain levied upon us by our oppressors have become too weighty for us to carry. We have no other refuge except you provide us with one. We know you from the beginning of time, like we have retained in our land. The earliest people of the earliest. You have never changed. You remained the same. You are the true God of the old. Chineke Abiyama, you stated from the beginning that life is like a marketplace, that those who are favored laugh loud. we, your children, pray that we laugh our way through this marketplace, that your beloved children's laughter be echoed through the quality of their lives. Please, give us 3 things. Give us life. 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 Good quality of life is what we request of you now. Because for the over 100 years, we have lived like slaves in the land you gave our ancestors. The riches and wealth which you gave our great ancestors, like Eke in the form of great beam of sunshine, you gave to Oya in edible trees and vegetation. You gave to Afo as life-giving waters of spring and rivers and ocean. And you gave to Unfor as fertile land, rich in abundant minerals and more. Our great ancestors are endowed with fertility of land and rivers, minerals and precious metals, oil and gas, and many more. Their wealth has been noted by the oppressors who armed themselves with dangerous weapons of war to exterminate your children. We stand firm to protect your heritage from the loot and the exploit of these oppressors, whose only aim is to seize your wealth to enslave humanity. We are absolutely resolute because we know that you have placed us here as agents of truth, peace, justice, balance, order, and harmony to humanity. With the sacred seed of Kolanut, we have all the weapons needed to defeat the evil ones. Only with you as our guide and our warlord. Chukwu Okike Abiama, send down your divine armies. Send down Amadioha. Send down Arobinago. Send down Ubuagaliodo. Send down Uchiche. Send down Agomo. Send down Udon Bechini. Break the evil union of those who said they alone shall live. Break their covenant and confuse their thoughts with Akukukuku, that their words are confused amongst themselves. Release your light of wonders into their eyes so brightly that they may be blinded like Utianya Fozo. With sacred seed of Kolanut in our hand, we plead that you protect our leaders, those who have chosen and cleansed to be our mouthpiece. Protect Nnamdi Kanu. Protect Nnamdi Kanu. Protect Nnamdi Kanu. Protect our youths. Protect our youths. Protect our youths. Protect our elders. Protect our elders. Protect our elders. Protect our organizations as many as they are and wherever they are. Protect our friends and supporters. Drive away spirit of envy and division, except when they exist to protect us. Replenish our energy and conviction daily as we continue to seek for justice and return of your sacred kingdom, Biafra, the land of joy. With Ofo in our hand, with Ogu in our endeavors, we plant our feet on Uzi, the truth, to seek your divine justice. In our synergistic resistant force, we resist to be enslaved. We resist to be dominated. We resist to be continually exploited, because ours is a life of freedom. We seek freedom and we give freedom. Life for the fish, life for the water. May the eagle perch, likewise the kite, live and let live. but anyone or group who dares to desire non-existence of Biafra, may they never find ground to stand on. May they never have a land to call their own. And finally, may they be denied life so that those living may find balance, may find peace, order, joy, and harmony, because this is your divine justice. So as we have asked, with this kola nut, so you shall grant. So